So, the question of the day is, would you lie about an accident with this little bit of damage and commit insurance fraud? Now I will let you see the video and then we'll talk about it. It was not a fun trip to Safeway in Ellum, Washington. So here's the aftermath of the Ellum Safeway accident where Chris Rivera rear-ended me in his Dodge Ram pickup truck. Luckily I had video right there, because supposedly when I gave my statement, official statement, the guy said that Chris implied I was moving. That wasn't his official statement though, so I don't know if that's true or not. But shame on you if it is. I basically, that was around 12:30 on Friday afternoon, basically told him in my official statement and my insurance company in my official statement that it's not in Chris's best interest to continue down that path if he did indeed say that, because I would get him for insurance fraud. Pretty sure that's a felony, and anything else I could go after him for. But and the funny thing is, this is not a big accident, probably a couple grand. I need a new hood and I gotta replace that, and they shouldn't find anything else probably. But I think now I'm gonna get a bull guard after the deer incident last year and now this, and hopefully not sure where it goes through, but we'll figure it out. But yeah, if Chris, you're watching this, or anyone knows him in Ellum, Linda Byrne is also on the registration, let me know, because if you didn't say that, your insurance company you need to get away from quickly. State Farm is horrible if they're actually implying that. Shame on you, State Farm, if you did that, committing insurance fraud. But yeah, get a dash cam. So basically I gave him until the end of the day on Friday to get his story to the truth, and he knew the truth. 2 p.m. on Friday, my insurance company gets a statement he admitted fault. So it makes me wonder, did he think about, basically, was he gonna lie, or was his insurance company pushing him to lie? That I don't know. But he's supposedly, Chris Rivera, used to own a fishing boat in Alaska. He was actually going up there. Supposedly he's a captain, or was a captain. Anyone in Alaska knows him. Let him respond to this, because you have no honor, possibly. Chris Rivera, fool. I hope that's not true. But yeah, you made the right decision. And otherwise I would have seen you in court, and you would be a felon for insurance fraud. But I hope someone sees this that knows you, and you send me an email. And I really want to know. I got your agent's number. I could, but that's State Farm. They're not going to tell me the truth. But yeah, so hopefully this will be fixed in a few weeks. Luckily it wasn't worse. Yeah, it was just very frustrating. People need to quit lying if they are lying. And if you don't have a dash cam, I would highly advise you to get one. Oh, so here's the windshield crack. That so you can see the chip way up in the corner. And that's the this is the one that cracked when I was parked in West Yellowstone and had the heat shield up, and the sun, it was hot. The sun just must have just focused on that pit, and it cracked while I was camping. But yeah, I will keep you updated on this, and let you know what happens. Hopefully it'll be fixed in a few weeks. But yeah, don't lie about your accident. Basically I could have kept it a secret I had this video, and then you lie, go to arbitration. But besides arbitration, I would have taken you to court, civil court, and my wife would have testified then, because she was behind. She saw this in another vehicle. Unfortunately, the insurance company doesn't let your immediate family give a statement, but real court, grown-up court would, not kiddie court. But that's what I call the insurance business now, kiddie court. They make their own rules. But real court, you would basically be a felon by the end of all this if I would have not pushed you to tell the truth and not disclosed I had the video. But you know, in the end, it's easier for everyone that I did that. But in a way, I kind of wish I would have got that chance, because people like you, if you really did intend to lie, need to be made an example of. And in the future, people need to really think about, ooh, does that person have video? Because maybe people won't start telling you they have video all of a sudden, catch you in your lies. But that's enough of this fun video. Bottom line, don't lie. You get lots of trouble. It doesn't matter if you lie to Congress or someone outside of Congress. You get in a lot of trouble. But I will talk to you later. And oh, I will put the video of the accident after this, where he backed up into me. For 3 full seconds he was backing up before he hit me. 3 seconds. It said he didn't hear my horn, and also said he made a comment, so much for backup camera. So he must have had a backup camera. I almost wonder if he was trying to commit insurance fraud, like intentionally, not an accident, like he did this on purpose. Chris Rivera, fraudster. Goodbye. Oh, just in case I didn't mention this, this whole incident took place in Ellum, Washington, which is where Chris Rivera and Linda Byrne reside. If you know them, please let me know. Get a hold of them, because I really want to know what they have to say. But thanks again.